Let's see if that was EMSC upgrading it. Yes or no? Absolutely not. Okay, it was not down. All right, so we'll have to check. All right. It is May 18th, 2020. It is 7:45. This earthquake took place up at 21 minutes ago. I just got the tweet from USGS. So let me go ahead and share it with you here. USGS said there was a 5.8 Crete, Greece, 57 miles south-southwest of Ierapetra, Greece, at 6 miles in depth. All right. Now, EMSC has got it at a 5.2. I don't know if they've upgraded it or not, but let me go take a peek. EMSC. EMSC right now has it at 5.2. They've got it 64 miles south of Ierapetra, Greece, Crete, Greece, at 6.2 miles in depth. Let me go ahead and refresh this. Hey, Mewy, I'm glad you came by, sweetie. So let me go ahead. Let's see, I'm checking to see if EMSC is going to upgrade any of this. And so far, no. So we're going to refresh EMSC and see if they're going to upgrade it. Nope, they upgraded it to a 5.4. So let me copy that. Seriously, copy. All right, they had it at a 5.2. Now they've got it at a 5.4. Crete, Greece. They now have it 60 miles south of Ierapetra, Greece. And they still have it at 6.2 miles in depth. Let me keep changing the numbers, guys. They may still reach USGS's numbers. A 5.4. Now they've got it 60 miles. It gets rid of the 64, add the 60. And they still have it at 6 miles in depth. All right. They had it at a 5.2. Now they've got it at a 5.4. All right. GFC was the first earthquake center. Just subbing again. Yep. Subbed again. Yep, you got it. GFC was the primary data source for this earthquake. So let me go ahead and pull them up. We'll give EMSC a chance to change their mind. But USGS said it was a 5.8. They sent out a tweet and everything. So let's go ahead and go to GFC first. And let's see what we got. All right, see if they changed their mind. Hang on here. I forgot to put USGS webpage on here in case they change their mind, which is possible. Remember, this is only a preliminary. They can change their mind at any time. All right. So let me go to, I just copied USGS down. Let's go to GFZ. All right, now there is GFC. They have got it at a 5.3 Crete, Greece. And they've got it at 6.2 miles in depth. It's exactly what they had before, okay? Here we go. We got 2 thumbs up, yes. So we want to go ahead and check. They said the closest volcano is 167 miles away. It's green, it is normal, it is dormant. I keep waiting for a tweet for EMSC to upgrade it. Nothing yet. Nothing yet. So let me go ahead and close out of that. We're going to go back to EMSC and refresh it one more time. Like I said, USGS has got it at a 5.8. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Refresh. We're going to go out of EMSC and come back. We'll give them a chance to check their stats. Hey, David, how are you, sweetie? Sorry, I look like heck, but you know. Guys, they've got it at a 5.4. This earthquake is now 25 minutes old. They started it off as a 5.2. They now have it as a 5.4, Crete, Greece. They now have it 60 miles south of Ierapetra at 6.2 miles in depth. I don't know if they're going to change it or not, guys. Let me go to USGS, refresh them, and see if they've got it. Then I'll take you to where this earthquake took place. We're going to go right now. We just shut down, and now we're opening up USGS again. All right. Lots of, let's see, Nevada got hit 1, 2, 3, 4 times. As you can see, they have it as a 5.8 right there in the red. All right. USGS said it was a 5.8 Crete, Greece. They've got it 57 miles south-southwest of Ierapetra at 6 miles in depth. Unreal. That's quite a difference, guys. That's quite a difference. That's 4 magnitudes difference. All right, let's go here. Under the Oaks. Hi, sweetie. We're going to go right now to where this earthquake took place. All right. And we're going to, oh, wow. Whoa, 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 whoa. All right. EMSC has it at a 5.4. Looks like Australia's got it at a 5.5. USGS is the only one with it at a 5.8. Just letting you know. All right. Now, I want you to look at the swarm of small quakes that happened here today. Let me see what that was. Most of them were 3s. Most of them didn't get reported by USGS. What do you think? All right. They're saying the closest volcano to this earthquake was 167 miles away. All right. The earthquake smack dab in the middle of that blob of earthquakes. All right. They've got it at 167 miles, color-coded green. GFC was the primary data source for this earthquake. Okay. So let me give you the information they have on the page. So I copied it and pasted it. Let me just go to my notes. It's easier. All right, we're going to go to the notes. They say the closest volcano is 169 miles away, color-coded green, normal, dormant. They said that the estimated release of power was 2,682 miles. 2,682 tons of TNT. They've got it at 0.2 atomic bomb equivalent. And did they upgrade? No, they did not. No, 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 and no. All right. Guys, you're going to have a battle. I'm going to go to disaster alert and see if they've got it up yet. You know me, I'm impatient. I was talking to my friend Mui in our text box, and I said it happened, and then we waited. We waited for USGS to decide when it was going to happen. All right. It looks like they got it up there, guys, right here at the bottom. So I'm going to go ahead and click on it. There it goes. And it should kick over here in a second. And there it is. I don't know if you can read it. A 5.8. Let me read what they say. And hey, Alice, David, Under the Oaks, Mew Mew, you guys are awesome. An earthquake of magnitude 5.8 at a depth of 6.2 miles has occurred 91 kilometers south-southwest of Ierapetra, Greece, as reported by the National Earthquake Information Center, the NEIC of the USGS. This is a preliminary. Guys, I also want to go to and see if about tsunami stuff and see if it got at least posted there. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and put this into the description box. Disaster alert and paste. Come on, paste. Be good. Paste. There you go. And cut. Get rid of silly commercials. I don't pay for it, so I get commercials. Hey, I can deal with it. It's easily cut out and got rid of the links. All right, Let me go to, closing everybody down one more time. Going to go to US tsunami page. Let me find it first. There it is. Opening up the US tsunami page, we're going to see if it's there at all. They do not. They still have the 5.5 off the coast of California. They do not have the one for a 5.8 up here. All right, so there is no tsunami warning for it. One last time, guys, I'm going to go back to EMSC. All right, opening up EMSC. And as you can see, they still have it right there at the top as a 5.4. All right, they've got it as a 5.4. They've got a Crete, Greece, 60 miles south of Ierapetra, Greece, at 6.2 miles in depth. Unreal. Got 3 different earthquakes centers, 3 different magnitudes. I got to go back and see if anybody else is agreeing with at least one of them. Okay? So let me check USGS one last time. 900 kilometers away from you, that earthquake was? Hang on. Excuse me. My throat's a little dry. So it's about 559 miles away from you. Is that what you're saying? Did you feel it? It happened off in the water. So I don't know. There are people close to that. Let me go see now. Let me pull up USGS. Make sure they're keeping it at a 5.8. All right. We got to go down a little bit. They've had some more earthquakes in Nevada. All right. There you go. 5.8 still sitting there. It is in red. Opening it up. USGS sent out a tweet, which you will have a copy of in the description. They said a 5.8, Crete, Greece. They said it was 57 miles south-southwest of Ierapetra at 6 miles in depth. All right, let me go see if anybody else has posted this. Besides, we need at least one more somebody to agree with somebody. Right now, I have nobody agreeing. Okay, let's see if they've got EMSC up. They do. USGS is up. Nobody but USGS. No one has got it at a 5.8. Just USGS. Let me go pull up the rest of these centers. Let me see if I can get you a couple copies here. Nothing like confusing you, huh? They're all the same earthquake. They're different earthquake centers reporting on this earthquake. Giving you... Nobody agrees. That is just wacko. All right. All right. Australia's got it at a 5.5. All right. They've got it at 6 miles in depth. Nobody has it at a 5.8 but USGS. Okay. There you go. Maybe it'll turn out like that 5.9 they had the other day. All right. Let me show you. Let me enlarge this. They've got it at 6.2 miles in depth. Let me enlarge this the best I can here. All right. This is Australia. Australia said it's a 5.5. They've got it at 6 miles in depth. They've got it Crete, Greece. All right. Now I'm going to copy this link and put it in there also. At least they're getting a little closer in the middle, somewhere between EMSC and USGS. All right. I'm afraid, guys, nobody's going to have this. It's the same depth as USGS. And we're going to sort of be stuck with what we have. And maybe EMSC will upgrade it. Maybe they won't. All right, we will see. Come on, copy. Let's post this into the notes. Where are my notes? We're going to put Australia right after GFZ in these in the description box. Australia EQ Center. and paste. Okay, now we're going to go get what it says and paste that in there. And copy and paste. Guys, I have no clue what to tell you. None. Nobody matches. Nobody. You think they all have the same machinery, it's all calibrated the same, but I'm beginning to think that's a wrong idea to have in my head. All right, they all should be calibrated. They all should be calibrated the same, but they're not. All right, let me copy these links. I'm going to put these links right now into the description box for you, and then we'll go back and try one more time on EMSC. After I just said it was on disaster alert as a 5.8. Whoop, there goes disaster alert. Just sent it out. No, they didn't. I am checking. There is no tweets at this point from EMSC upgrading it. Nothing. So let me go ahead and post these into, make sure I did it here. GFC, Australia, EMSC 5.2. Whoa. Okay, got to put the 5.4 on there that they upgraded it to. Can't have the 5.2 there. You need to upgrade it. Upgraded. And let's put that in there. Okay, come on, copy. And paste. All right. Okay, you're going to have it at a 5.2 and a 5.4. Just out of curiosity, you guys, I'm closing down EMSC. I'm hoping that, just out of curiosity, that they would have upgraded it at least a little more than a 5.4. And the answer to that question is still sitting there. All right, so I'm going to put these notes into YouTube right now. You guys can go check these out for yourself. You're going to have GFC, you're going to have EMSC, you're going to have Australia, USGS. Okay, a disaster alert is also in here. There is no tsunami warning for this earthquake. Copy. Now let's go to YouTube. YouTube. Then I want to say hey to everybody, okay? My channel. Edit. Okay, we're going to paste this into the description box, guys. Paste. Disaster alert, USGS. USGS tweet. EMSC tweet 5.2, 5.2, 5.4. Australia. The only thing is they put that 5.4 up and they did not send out a tweet for it. So they may be waiting. They may be checking something out. I don't know. They have not sent a tweet out upgrading it to a 5.4, and they normally do. So we'll wait. We'll see what we have. And we're saving it now into YouTube for you. You can now go to the link and get it. Now we're going to save it into community. So you can actually, after this live feed, excuse me, they have, usually takes anywhere from an hour to 12 hours, sometimes 24, for them to post my live feeds. So always go check it in community, okay? And we're now going out of YouTube. All right. And before I end this, we'll definitely wait and check and go back on EMSC and see. All right. So let me get my old granny glasses here so we can see who's here and who's not. My granny glasses. Better for seeing you with. All right. Let's see who's here. Mewy Mew, I said hi to you. David, I did say hi to you. Under the Oaks, I said hi to you, sweetie. I hope you guys are doing good. Alice, hey, babe. How are you doing? You okay? Let's see who we got here. I know one person came in that's new. M-E-R-T, Mert. I've not talked to you before. Thank you for coming in and watching the video with us. Welcome to the family. Oh, it's 900 kilometers away from where you are. Okay. Well, in miles, that's about 500. I think. Let me get my kilometers turned into miles here. So hang on. You said 900 kilometers. From where you are, it's 559.2 miles away. $16 million. That's a lot of people. Free TV. Hey, babe, you came in. Thank you so much. Thank you for coming in, hon. I love my Blue Army. You keep the trolls under control. You guys, you let me do my earthquake, and I don't have to keep track of the comments. I love you guys so much. Thank you. All right. Now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to wait and see here. We're going to just sneak into EMSC one more time and see if they've got it. Oh, they still got the 5.4. They have not upgraded it or downgraded it. They've got it at a 5.4. They had it at a 5.2, upgraded it to a 5.4, but they did not send out a tweet, and they normally do. So that may go up to a 5.8. I am not sure. USGS has got it at a 5.8, Crete, Greece. It's 57 miles south-southwest of Ierapetra, Greece. EMSC now says it is 60 miles south of there at 6.2 miles in depth. And GFC said it was a 5.3, and they've got it at 6.2 miles in depth. Wait a minute, that may be our tweet. Let's see. No. Another earthquake in Nevada. Another earthquake in Nevada. Guys, that was one in Hawaii at 2.0. All right. I'm going to let you guys, Joanne. What do we got here? Guys, I don't know if there's a lot of damage or not. It was out about, let's see the population there. Let's go check the population there. They're saying the closest population was 60 miles away. 12,600 people are close to this earthquake, okay? 60 miles away from this earthquake. Athens, Greece was 200 and... Can't read with those on my cell phone. Athens, Greece was 285 miles away, and it has 730,000. Aggelos, Aglos, Greece is 73 miles away with 10,800 people, is what they're saying. Yes, it was Crete, Greece. All right, a 5.4 according to EMSC, a 5.8 according to USGS. Wasn't an earthquake in California, 7 back in, yes, it sure was. They had one. No, they had, no. Let me get the date on that. Hang on. There was one much. Let's see what that is. Is that EMSC upgrading? Yes, no, in between? No. Another one in Nevada. Let's go to Google here because I'll going through all my things. I think there was a 7-pointer about a year and a half ago in California, if I am not mistaken. My mind is totally shot, but we're going to go find out. 2019 earthquake, magnitude 7.0 in California.
According to USGS, the July 5th, 2019 magnitude 7.1 earthquake near eastern California's Sorrells Valley resulted from shallow strike slip faulting in the North America plate crust.
Okay, did you guys hear that? There was one in 2019, a 7.1. That's the one that went crazy. That one was close to Searless. All right. Under the Oaks, I cannot. You're welcome. I cannot predict earthquakes. I'm not going to even attempt to predict earthquakes. I don't have a little wizard hat up here to predict. Okay. Yes, it was a 7.1 last year, July. I knew it was there. So I've got it somewhere in these notes. Let me show you these. I keep notes. Every little earthquake I keep. All right. I'm trying to find that in here. It just doesn't happen very much. Okay. So every earthquake I keep. And at the end of the month, I take every one of these notes and I email me. And then I put them into off my computer memory. So I have them. All those resemble books and books. Okay. All right, guys. You have got all links in the description box. You've got all links in the community section as well. All right. So what I'm going to do is go ahead, let you go. If EMSC upgrades it, I'll come back and put it and pin it in the comment section that they did upgrade it. All right. Now, if USGS downgrades it, I'll put that in the comment section too. Okay. Yes, that was the World Series game, if I'm not mistaken. So, all right, guys. God bless. Be safe. My little blue army here. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you so much. Big bear hugs to you guys. Sending you everyone much love. God bless. Be safe. I'll be back. You're more than welcome. I will be back somewhere around 11:30 maybe with the last report of the evening. And I'll give you a running total of all the earthquakes that have happened in Nevada today, since I've been doing the earthquake reports this morning. Thank you so much. God bless. Be safe. This broadcast is now ending.